Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, Director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I'm here to share with you a whimsical design perfect for the St. Patrick's Day holiday. The mechanics are simple. It's foam-free. I have a glass vase filled with water with flower food, and then the hat. I start by cutting. Yes, I cut it open, and I cut through, and I cut through, which then allows me to bend it down to support the flowers. Then placing it on, giving a little push so that it's nice and snug, and I'm ready for designing. I'm going to use a green hydrangea to work as an armature for my design. So giving it a cut, thinking about the height, then cutting to make sure that it drinks well, dipping it in alum. That will make it absorb the water more completely. Then sliding it down into the hat, fluffing it out, and that becomes a mound to support all my blooms. I can add a little bit of foliage, feeding it through, getting that darker green. So now I have Kelly green, light green, and then a deep shade of green. Now the fun begins. Pick your most favorite green or white blooms and fill in. A little bit of Genesta to add a bit of a line. Coming up a little higher. Some green tinted carnations. Angling them through. Ranunculus. So delicate. Long lasting, which is amazing because they look fragile with that high lacy petal count, but they actually hold so very well. Adding the bud, maybe a spray rose, and then additional blooms to get it full and lush. The trickiest part of this design is finding the favorite hat. They come in so many different sizes, different shapes. So pick the hat you like. Then search through your vases to see which one fits the best. Then the flowers are easy. The recipe, 1 hydrangea bloom. Then I used 3 ranunculus, 3 spray rose, 4 carnations, then 3 stems of the Genista, a little bit of the Israeli ruscus to finish filling it in, and you're good to go. Designing for a holiday is a lot of fun. You can get a little more whimsy into your work than you would on a normal everyday basis. For more creative inspiration, check out the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there or pick up the telephone and give us a call at 503-223-8089. Now it's your turn. What are you going to create for the holiday? Be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way I can see and everyone can see what you do as you do something you love.